Nelson Chamisa azopindura vakomana aiwa vese vari kuuya vachimuti Nelson Chamisa haabetseri. Vari kuuya vataura mazvekuti Nelson Chamisa pana zvaari kuita. Sana bena mashoko anotogwa naNelson Chamisa muzara nhasi. Ndotibva wasubscribe like or turn the bell icon. Timinda paendo pakanyora chiti the struggle for a new great Zimbabwe where we are. It has not been easy to stand for right, truth and the authentic alternative. I can understand the struggle fatigue. It has been a long, rough and a tough journey. Fighting brutality and oppression, struggles are never easy. It is a struggle and it is not instant coffee or a walk in the park. Anachiti number 1, over time a lot happens. Some fall by the wayside, some go offside, yet very few remain on side and inside. Number 2, some get genuinely tired, exhausted and or get too old, yet cannot let go. Number 3, some are disappointed, are depressed and frustrated at the delay in quick result. Number 4, some may resort to finger pointing and blame game as a post-election dissonance and frustration coping mechanism. Number 5, some are pretenders, infiltrators and establishment collaborators who play for the other team and they often shout and caricature the loudest. Number 6, some admire the opportunities offered by occupying office and being in government as president, minister, MPs, councillors or public service. Number 7, some are content with the benefits and the privileges of power and position as opposition for life. Number 8, some are in it for survival and employment, escaping poverty and never for service, change and leaving a legacy. Number 9, some seek shortcuts, decide if we cannot beat them, join them. So joining the gravy train becomes the easy answer. Number 10, some choose to disengage and pursue personal goals, interests and business as private citizens. Number 11, some are perennial skeptics and perpetual cynics and armchair critics, the naysayers and doomsayers. These are a mortal danger to the people's struggle for a better world. Number 12, some fight to the bitter end. These few are in it for the long haul, for services and for Zimbabwe and its people, and I am proud to belong to this category. Nelson Chamisa anoyachi achidescribe vanhu vakasiyana-siyana vano associate navo muopposition, adescribe manaysayers, akadescribe vanhu mainfiltrators, vanhu vakasiyana-siyana sekutsanangura kwaita, but iye azouya akatsanangura category yake akati aiwa some fight to the bitter end, achiti these few are in it for the long haul, for service and for Zimbabwe and its people, and I am proud to belong to this category. Ana achizvitaura nyika yeZimbabwe yakatarisana nethis crackdown yatoona kuti aiwa zvinhu hazvina kumira zvakanaka, vanhu vese vari kuchema, vari kukwidza nekudzika nekuda kwethis regime. Totidzai mafungiro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro pemashoko aNelson Chamisa auya akareplya aiwa zviri kuitika munyika yeZimbabwe nemashoko ari kuudziwa nevanhu akanaka, makubvu nematete neakashata. Totidzai mafungiro enyu pane comment section medu, musangana nosubscribe, kulike, watch and turn on the bell.